Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some honey habanero St. Louis style ribs on a char griller 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. We got most of your liquid still in your bag. Quick pat down, then clean them up. Get rid of the skirt, get rid of the membrane. Now if you have dogs, cook this up as well. Toss it in their dog food, nice little treat. Find that bone, we'll square this off. Now rip the membrane. Get it in here, right on that bone, slide it. Lift up a little. Not getting it all in one. Sometimes you get it all, sometimes you don't. No binders. Uncle Steve's sweet spicy R. Let it sweat in, rock and roll. Put your side. Then you let that sweat in, get your grill rolling. I'm going to show you how I load up the 980. These St. Louis style ribs, we're going to be cooking at 275 on the char griller 980, and we're going to load up that hopper with some Kingsford Blue, the basic, a little layer, and then throw in some apple chunks, big chunks. And then down below we got that basket that we got from any griddle company out there that has a little foil pan, the insert. You're going to use that is what you're going to put your wood in, the chunks, so you don't burn up your flap in 980. A lot of people have been having an issue, so you kick it all the way to the left. This is easy, no problem to do. And we're cooking this up on an elevated rack. That way you can catch all your drippings, makes cleanup a lot easier, trust me. If you don't have this rack, go get one. It's under $30. I'll leave a link down below. It's saves a ton of cleanup, trust me. So when you're 2 hours in and you have not peaked yet, now let's take a look. Oh hell yeah. Approaching the 3 hour mark. Let's see if we have to spritz, and if we do, it's just going to be hot water. That's it. So at the 4 hour mark, you're gonna probe for tenderness, and if you're good like butter, this is when you're gonna shut down your grill basically and put your barbecue sauce on there, close it back down, and you only got about 15-20 minutes, and that's gonna tack up real good. So let's see what we got, and you can check the temp as well. Oh yeah. $275, 4.5 hours. Oh hell yeah. It may be 4 hours, 45 minutes. Let's cut into this bad boy.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh, damn straight. That is looking great. Let's get a bite of that. Oh, hell yeah.
I said, give me a hell yeah.
Oh, man. Woo, she got a little kick. That sauce. This local honey habanero sauce was awesome on those ribs. Oh, hell yeah. If you can support local, go do it. This I got from an apple orchard here last fall. We go pick our own apples here in upstate New York, and that's what we grow around here, and onions and a bunch of other stuff. But those are two of the main. The barbecue sauce had a little kick, paired very well with pork. These St. Louis style ribs were rocking. We did about 4.5 hours, 4 hours, 45 minutes on the char griller 980, 275. Once we sauced it, we shut it all down, let it go, pull it, set it on the board, let it rest 10 minutes. It rocked. It was about 202 degrees internal temp when I probed it, but it was probing like butter, and that makes the perfect pork ribs. Oh, hell yeah.
I said, give me a hell yeah.
Cheers, folks. Messy. Ooh. Try for that big bite. Oh,